In this video, I do a nice little cheap mod. Right, YouTube, welcome to another video. I expect this to be quite a quick video, but I thought I might as well film it anyway. So this is like a nice little cheap aesthetics mod, which probably a lot of people have done already. But you probably would have seen some of this stuff on, if you've seen the rear spoiler video, you would see some of this pinstripe holographic tape, I think it is, going down when I was trying to cover up the crack. So it's this stuff. So it's kind of on theme with the wheel nuts I've got, which I keep forgetting what they're called. Neochrome. That took a while. So what I'm going to be doing is doing pinstripe tape all around the splitter and skirts. I'm hoping it's not a bit of overkill, what with the wheel nuts and the bits on the spoiler, because I also want to do the roof and the black bit of the spoiler in a holographic wrap as well. So I'm hoping it's not too much overkill, but yeah, one way to find out, innit? Let's just do it. So there we are, another video in the bag. I must admit I really love the holographic, like Neochrome type effect. How long it will last on the car, don't know, what with the all crap weather we have here, but it looks pretty good at the moment anyway. Maybe I'll just keep it in the garage and just not use it. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe. Hit the old notifications bell, chuck a comment down below. I'm kind of approaching 900 subscribers, so if you're sitting on the fence about subscribing, please do. It would mean the world to me. And I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.